black hole theory is that a black hole, you know what black hole is?
Yeah, black hole.
It's a black hole.
Yeah, it's a black hole. Like
It's actually not a black hole. People usually know me for
there is
this.
no light
Yeah,
actually.
Yeah, there is
That is
no
a part
light.
of Pakistan.
Yeah, it's actually
Shut up electricity.
No. Actually, black hole is a very strong gravity. It turns from a supernova star. When a supernova star crashes, it either becomes a nexus star, or it either becomes a supernova, or it either turns into a black hole when the mass is too much mass. So the mass and gravity is more than the mass. The mass goes on itself.
Okay.
Let me give you an example. Think this is the point of gravity.
You broke already the spoon.
Yeah, this is the point of gravity. Think this is the mass on the outside.
Okay.
It twists on itself. And then suddenly it is compressed.
Okay.
When it is compressed, the gravity is so much this star is not able to survive and a black hole is created. It has intense amount of gravity. Super big amount of gravity.
Okay.
So either a planet just destroys or either it turns into a black hole. Black hole does not even let a light escape. Light cannot escape it rather than any creature. Even it distorts light, even time. If you are going past a black hole, the time stops.
Okay.
So your 3 hours will be 30 years in Pakistan. Your 3 hours
Wait. If I'm not wrong, okay, later I will discuss about it because I'm not a religious person. But you know Shab-e Miraj?
Yeah, of
So
course.
same like that one, right?
Yeah, obviously.
Slowly I'm going that side.
Yeah,
But
there is a theory
but
about that I want to
I'm
share.
very careful because I'm not a religious scholar. So maybe if my word
Obviously.
little plus minus then
Yeah, I'll talk about that later, but
Okay.
there is a theory about
that's
that.
interesting.
Yeah, that's very interesting. So if you accidentally, anything that goes into a black hole, pretty much everything is information. You are information, I am information in the universe, right?
I'm also information.
Yeah.
See, you mean I have little value.
Yeah, you have little value, little
okay.
to no value actually. But
Finally.
But in a black hole, when you go, information is destroyed, so you don't have any existence. You are finished. But some people say black hole is like a portal, like a door.
Okay.
When you go into the black hole, the door opens, you go out of a white hole. So
Okay.
anything that goes into a black hole goes out from a
In this
white
black hole, no electricity. Suddenly I'm entering Dubai. There is light. Like this?
Yeah,
okay,
maybe,
sorry.
maybe.
Huh?
No, but think that, for example, there is a door in Pakistan. You open the door from the black Pakistan, you go into the white door.
No, our Pakistan is also white. Just I'm kidding.
Yeah,
but
but-
like the hole, we enter. There is white door.
Yeah,
We
there
enter
is
there.
yeah.
There is another planet.
Yeah, there is
Same
another-
like me, other people.
Yeah.
I can meet with them.
Yeah.
Maybe he is old. Maybe he is young.
Now there are 2 points in that. Some say that if a black hole is in our universe, there is also a white hole in our universe. Some say white hole is
both.
in another universe.
How
So-
we can find this hole?
We cannot find it because black hole, whenever you go into a black hole, first of all, any human that goes into a black hole cannot come back. He cannot come back.
Once
So
you
how
enter
will-
khalas.
Yeah, khalas.
You cannot come back.
We cannot
We
come
can
back.
bring their our mobile phone so we can contact someone.
There will be no data. Let me tell you, some scientists send a robot in a spaceship. But
Okay.
once the robot enters into the black hole, connection disconnected, signals over.
Maybe that is
and-
China. I will make USA made, na? That will have very strong signals, wireless signals. We will be here, na? We will be here. One reboot here, one enter in the black hole. He have also the cameras, and it will connect with the wireless. Maybe.
Maybe. Yeah,
What do you
will
think?
happen.
Ah.
But the point is, black hole is so powerful that even light cannot escape. So how will a signal escape?
Maybe light is China, na? We will bring good one there.
Okay, you will bring a good big light.
Ah.
Okay, but for example, if you do go from it, there is a 50-50% chance either you turn into spaghetti, or either you go into another universe.
Yeah, don't say about spaghetti. I'm already hungry. Okay, let's come to the
But, yeah,
topic.
but back to the topics, the point here is that either in our universe, in another part of the universe. So there is no anybody else. Same universe, same planets. You
Can
go
I ask
from
one
the-
short question?
Yeah.
But I will tell you, be careful in the words.